If you've ever struggled with cramped airplane compartments or noisy, awkward luggage during short trips, this might be the upgrade you didn't realize you needed. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're reviewing the Mixi 14-inch underseat luggage carry-on suitcase in Lark Yellow. This is a compact, hard-shell carry-on design for travelers who prioritize convenience, durability, and style. Whether you're a frequent flyer, business traveler, or weekend adventurer, this suitcase is relevant for anyone who wants stress-free travel without compromising on design or functionality. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. Here are the reasons to buy Mixi 14-inch underseat luggage carry-on suitcase. Durability and materials. The Mixi carry-on is constructed with 3-layer bare PC, also called soft steel, which provides superior durability compared to standard ABS or ABS Plus PC luggage. In real-world use, it withstands scratches, knocks, and the rigors of airport handling, while remaining surprisingly lightweight. This ensures you can pack more without worrying about damaging the suitcase over time. Smooth and silent mobility. The suitcase features multi-directional spinner wheels made of soft TPE rubber with lubricated bearings. This combination produces quieter rolling and smoother maneuvering, even on long walks through airports or train stations. In testing, the wheels show minimal wear, 3 times better than industry standards, making this ideal for travelers who cover long distances on foot. Comfortable handling. The adjustable aluminum telescoping handle with push-button locking makes navigating through crowded terminals effortless. Alongside a soft rubber top and side handle, the design ensures comfort during carrying, even when fully loaded. After extensive fatigue and shock testing, these handles remain stable and reliable, important for frequent travelers who need confidence in their luggage. Practical interior design. Inside, the suitcase offers fully lined compartments, EVA wet zone pockets, and zippered organizational curtains. Cross straps secure clothing and reduce wrinkles, while independent pockets allow for quick access to essentials. The interior layout makes packing efficient, organized, and practical, particularly for short trips or business travel. Security and long-term value. Top-quality YKK zippers, reinforced with 5 strands to prevent accidental piercing, combined with a smart TSA-approved lock, ensure that your belongings stay safe. A protective clear PVC cover guards against scratches during handling. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, these features provide peace of mind for both frequent and occasional travelers. Final verdict. The Mixi 14-inch underseat carry-on is a compact, stylish, and highly practical luggage option for short trips or as an additional personal item for air travel. Its combination of durable hard-shell construction, silent spinner wheels, comfortable handles, and organized interior makes it suitable for business trips, weekend getaways, or frequent flights. While it is designed for lighter travel and won't replace a full-size checked bag, it excels at maximizing underseat storage and mobility. For travelers who value convenience, durability, and thoughtful design, this carry-on is a standout choice. If compact, reliable travel is what you're looking for, check the link in the description and make your next trip a smoother, more confident experience.